so now the glass is all in the inside of our tree, so the next stage would be to put in all the branches. Now what we do with the branches is, because we have 12 branches, we map it out, so then we throw them in loosely to really work out where we want them to go. Okay, so once we've mapped it out, the next stage is to put the branches in properly. Now, the way we do this is we weave the stem through the branch coming out, not pushing it in too far, and then we take the branch of the tree and wind it around the other branch, the red one. Fluff him up. Voila, and there he's in. Okay, so then we put all these ones in exactly like that, and then the next one I would do is the same sort of thing, but with our next color branch. And again I would do, but map it out in maybe a different area.